Okay, everyone, got our cameras going again. We're going to continue our ride. Yeah, the camera slipped just a little bit on me on the back. I don't know how that happened, but it did. But now I've got it to where I can see the whole road. And if not, 2 or 3 feet on each side of the road. It's a very wide angle camera. So yeah, I'm real happy with the camera itself. I'm just not crazy about the mount. And there's not really a way to even use zip ties to mount this any sturdier on the handlebar or the front down post. So I'll look into that, see what I can do to figure that out. Kind of the same direction I took the other day. I'm glad I wore my babaka. My ears would have been cold today. We'll cross the road up here and go up into the park again. Definitely supposed to start warming up here. I think towards the end of this week and the first of next week, we're supposed to get up into 70s, I think, a couple days next week. So I'm looking forward to that. I was going to ride yesterday, but I had so many things I needed to do around the house that I decided to take yesterday off. As I mentioned, I try to ride at least 4 to 5 days a week. We've already come 29 minutes and about 4.5 miles, so that's pretty good. Happy with that. As I mentioned, we've got to be really careful crossing these intersections, making sure all these cars are going to stop. Which he was turning left and he was paying attention to I was coming across the intersection. Jump over into the park again. I see a lot of people up here around lunchtime. We got a nice little pavilion out there on the lake. Let's see if we can get down in there. Well, no skating or swimming, casting nets prohibited, but yeah, they also don't want you to feed the wildlife. But this pond you can fish in. Like I said, I used to fish that thing when I was a kid. We'll go out here on the pavilion a little bit. It's pretty nice. I'm not sure I've ever been out here before. Yeah, this is pretty cool here. Get out here and eat your lunch and out here on the pond. It's really nice. But they've done a lot of work on this park here, keeping it nice for people for the city. So that's really nice to have a place to come like this and still be very nice to, you know, if you just want to come out here in the sun and just fish, you can do that. And a lot of people always are walking around the pond here too. That building over there used to be the General Motors building years ago. Used to be called Delco, which I'm sure you've heard of that before. Yeah, but this is just a beautiful little lake. Not sure. It looks like somebody may be fishing down here. A little chilly to be in shorts, I think, but anyway. Have you guys caught anything?
No, we just got here.
Did you? Is that your cat? Beautiful. I have 4 inside cats myself.
Yeah, she follows us everywhere.
She doesn't go away, does she? She just stays with you.
That's a nice bike.
Well, thank you.
Is that electric?
Yeah. Yeah, I have a e-bike channel on YouTube. That's what I'm doing today, is taping for YouTube.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, these bike companies, I mean, this one company out of Florida sent this one to me. They sent them free. You know, but you got to review the bikes, and there's a great bike. I mean, it'll go 32 to 33 mile an hour.
That's nice.
But if you like to, you know, if you like to ride e-bikes, I mean, they're becoming very popular for sure. Well, I hope you guys catch something for sure. I mean, have you fished here before?
Yeah.
There's fish in here. I used to,
What's your YouTube channel?
called Senior E-Bike Nation.
Okay.
Just think E-Bike Nation and Senior.
Okay.
I mostly do it for seniors. That's a beautiful cat. Is that the only one you have?
No, I got 2.
You got 2?
The boy one's a little, he don't like coming outside.
Really? Boy, this cat just loves this.
Yep.
I really like to see that. What's his name?
Her name's Knox.
Her name, Knox. Good baby, come here. Say, no, I don't want to be around any strangers. I'd be down here hunting for mice, probably. Oh, wow. Well, you guys have a great day.
Yeah.
Oh, nice young couple there out there fishing. You don't see cats very often stay with the owners like that one did. Hope you guys got to see that. Beautiful cat. Of course, I have 4 inside cats myself, so when you have 4, you have a herd. But they're fur babies. But yeah, we got some beautiful weather out here. Like I said, a little bit chilly if you're wearing shorts. I'm surprised she wasn't freezing to death out there. How you doing? There's the BMX dirt tracks again. see them out there a lot in the summertime. Bumping back up to pedal assist 5 here, going up this hill. Yeah, I highly recommend this Zoda Zephyr for anybody out there that is looking for an e-bike. I mean, it's a great bike. It's a 20-inch bike, but I'll tell you what, with these fat tires, you can pretty much go anywhere with this bike. We've been in gravel, grass, dirt. We've been all over on this bike. And again, definitely highly recommend it. Got some beautiful flowers over here. We're gonna go ahead and up here, and I think I'm gonna stop and eat some lunch. So we'll be going and stopping the video up here, and then we'll start it back up as soon as I grab a quick lunch. But yeah, it's getting to be that time. So, but anyway, if you guys share and like the video for me, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next video.